everyone, welcome back to my channel. How's everyone doing? Welcome back to the crazy cat family, cat lady family. And my name is Beth Carrera, of course. And we have the Universal Yums box. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So this is the, sorry. This is called the Land of the Rabbits. So I don't know what country this is from, but it says the Land of the Rabbits. So we'll have to see what this is. Shall we? Oh, I'm back here again. All right. Got some water, had to get prepared. So there's gonna be a cut in this. So let's open this up and see what country this is. This is, look at this, nice presented, beautiful box. So this is Spain, the land of the rabbit. You saw it first. Spain, and it has a whole cute, and then it has like a whole booklet about Spain and different things. Really cute. This is awesome. I love, 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 love. Let's see what this is. First up, Artisan potato chips, Mediterranean herbs flavored. So let's try this out. I love every month when there's a lot of goodies in this mama. Not bad. I don't know. I like that. Okay. No. Tastes like Seatown. It's herb. Yeah, I think they put herb in Seatown. That's good. I love these things. I never think of this potato. Give me it. I want that. What do you use? Well, we got the fried. This one, don't want to give it away. That one was the best one. Now we have another type of chip. It's called fried egg. I'm interested in this one. Fried egg. Yeah, it tastes like a fried egg. Crunchy. Interesting. Fried egg potato chips. Very, very, very interesting. Okay. Let's see. Next up. What is this? I can't even pronounce it. Mandarin. Something Mandarin. I don't know. We'll have to open up and see. I don't know. Oh, it's like a little biscuit cookie. It's like very dry. I don't know what's in. What is this? It's like oranges. I'm making a mess. Not bad. Very crumbly. Okay. Next up, what the heck is this? I don't know, we got this. Actually, let's see what this is all about. Maybe they'll tell us a little bit. Oh wait, hold on, it tells you, but it doesn't really tell you what it is. Okay, that's like a shortbread with orange marmalade filling. That's what it is. Now this is a soft cake with cream filling. That's what this is supposed to be. So let's dive right in. It seems like it's very powdery. It's like vanilla. Using Noah's hands. He's like, give me. This is so good. It's so interesting. Like it, Noah? I love these things. Okay, what is this one? Dark chocolate covered peanuts with a little monkey. Let's try these things out. Ooh. These remind me of goobers. Wait, are we gonna open it up? Here, wanna try that? This is good. Is it good?
Yes.
I love these. I urge you to go on Universal Yum and try it. And this box is only 15. It's not a lot. Just try different things from different countries. It's epic. Now this is cocktail. What is this one? Let's try that. This is chili barbecue flavored corn and rice snack. So let's try it out after having something sweet. Just like a corn chip, but yeah, it has like a weird flavor. I don't like it. Okay, moving on. This is a corn, okay, a corn puff snack. So let's dive right in. See what we got. And Shelby's deciding to join the party. If I can open this up. Shelby, you can't have chocolate. I can't open this up now. My hands are all. No chocolate, mister. Okay, now I got it open. Okay, this is interesting. A whole big, this is a corn puff snack. I don't know. This is good. I can't place what this tastes like. No, thank you. Woo! No way. That's nasty for me. Okay, what's going on with these? All right. Candy. Oh, shoot. I'm sorry about that. My little girl kitty's going crazy. Candy coated white chocolate and caramel pieces. Okay, I can handle that. Go straighten her out, Shelby. Okay, what is this? Oh, these are like M&Ms. Oh, maybe not. See? Oh, they're like caramel M&Ms. That's what I taste like. So it tells you all about each candy. I liked them all, except for the puffs and those other things. Yeah, that's kind of weird. It's okay. This is Coca-Cola. It's caramel, like a. And it has, like different kind of recipes. Really cool. I made a mess here. I'm gonna go on and have my chocolate peanuts. So far, this box is good too. I like these. Like a dry biscuit cookie. This one's good too with the cream. Really cool. Oh, let's try this one. We made a big mess here. Got into my eye. Is this poison? Go for it. You like it? Wow. These are good. These taste like blueberries to me. Well, that is it for this Universal Yums. Which is good. Like it. He likes the stuff I don't like. Except for the chip. These are kind of interesting chip. Tastes like egg. It just tastes like egg too. That is a little bit. I don't know. It's weird. So I really enjoyed this. These are interesting. Last time I got this box, I remember the first time I got the bigger one. So I've been sticking to the small one to see if I could keep liking it. So far, I think so. Look at the chocolate monkey. Well, that's it for this box. This one's box. It's November. So, it is Spain. I really enjoyed this box. It's caramel candy. Blue plays with caramel. With a hard coating. Different. Like M&M's. So, I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for subscribing for my channel. Thank you all for being here. And thank you for supporting. Love you all. And just remember to be yourself and love yourself. Until the next time.